Yeah. Good morning, day 8, leaving Lancaster today, heading up to Penrith. It's raining already, forecast to rain pretty consistently all morning till about early afternoon, I think. Big day today, 73 miles but 5,000 feet of climbing, so we're going towards Kendal, and then you got your option of Shap, which we don't fancy because A6 is crap, or we're going to go right over the hills and drop down into Penrith, and we've got a hotel there tonight. So yeah, we're up early, it's just gone 7, so I'm going to crack on and get it done. See you on the road. Right, we're 20 mile in for the day. First bit of scenery we've actually seen, because it's been pissing it down. It's just about stopped now. Whew. But yeah, we got wet. Very, very wet. So it is forecast to be heavy rain again in a bit, so we'll see. But we've done 20, so 1,500 feet of climbing, I think. Yeah, so 3 and a bit to go. Let's crack on. That's Kendal down there, so rather than go up Shap, up the A6, we're just going to come on the hills around it. Look at that beauty. So that sign there, Yorkshire Dales. So we're just about to go into that. We're almost halfway for the day. We've done over half of the climbing. We've got 2,500 feet of climbing left, just over half in the mileage, 38 miles, so we'll be stopping for lunch soon and then plod on. It's been a tough day, hasn't it, so far, especially with that rain, and we're both feeling a bit knackered. I don't know why we've had a rest day, that's perhaps why. But let's crack on. said it was worth the suffering, didn't you, love? She said it was worth the suffering for that view. There's a beautiful river there, railway there, motorway there. I think it's the M6, isn't it? Yeah, what a view. So we're following the M6 up now. I think we're going to hang a right through that cut over there. I'm hoping so, because if not, it means going up and over, but we'll see. It is what it is. Unrelenting hills. Right, let's crack on. Yeah. Today's ride, 1,013 feet above sea level. We've done 46 miles, over 4,000 feet of climbing. I'm pretty baked. Over there, which is where we're going. Barnard Castle is somewhere over there. Right, we've got 7 miles to the next climb, which means I'm hoping it's nice downhill. So let's go. Whew. Go on then, love. What's your thoughts on today?
I'm exhausted.
There you go. We're both exhausted. Now, today was supposed to be 4,700 feet of climbing, so we knew it'd be hard, 72 and a bit miles.
Oh.
But we got drenched for the first 3 hours, which was fair enough. That weren't too bad, were it?
No, we're fine.
But then, just the constant hills and hills and hills. Lisa's Garmin says 5,000 feet of climbing. My Wahoo says 6,200. So we'll land somewhere between the two at 5,500. So it's still a hell of a lot of climbing. So it's done. Day 8 anyway. We're done. We're in Penrith now. We're in this beautiful... it's an old college. And the college closed because there wasn't enough students. So they've turned parts of it into hotel accommodation. So look at that. It's got a lovely posh bathroom. Massive walk-in shower. It's... yeah, it's nice. It's only about 80 quid as well, which weren't bad. But some of the site looks derelict. It's weird. Anyway, so tomorrow we've got storm...
We're getting the train.
Storm, we're not.
Home.
Storm what? Florist? Whatever, that storm that's coming in. So there's going to be some strong winds tomorrow. Rain pretty much all day, but a bit of sunshine. The worst of the rain's early morning till about 11. But the only good thing about the wind is it looks like it'll be a tailwind for the bulk of the day. And then it starts to get worse after 4 p.m. So plan is we'll be up and out early again and get gone, and hopefully it just is what it is. The rest of the week looks fine, so we're just going to have to suck it up and go for it. If it gets too bad, too dangerous, then we're just going to have to dive in a hotel or something at Carlisle or Gretna. We'll see. But it's only 1,800 feet climbing tomorrow, so we'll see. Anyway, we'll see you in the morning for day 9.